Hey everybody, welcome to another math video. So for this one, I will be talking about place value. You have no idea how many people I've helped that have a lot of problems with place value. So let's dive right in. Alright, so pretty straightforward. Okay, so let's say I have a number like this. Okay, so it's spaced out to kind of give you well, it's not really to give anybody else something, but to help me kind of explain the places. So first off, you notice in the very middle, we have a decimal point. Okay, to the left of the decimal point, we have the ones place. Now, what's important about these two pieces is that everything is going to revolve around these two pieces. Okay, so if we go further to the left of the ones place, we have what's normally called the tens place. Okay, now if we go to the opposite side of the decimal, so the first number to the right of the decimal, this is the tenths place. So you kind of say it with like a lisp. Okay, tenths. Okay, now if we go back to the left side, so past the tens place, we have the hundredths place. And then back over to the right side, and it's getting kind of confusing, but over to the right side where the 0 is, that's going to be our hundredths place. So you see what I mean about how everything is going to revolve around the decimal point and the ones place? Because that's what's happening. So everything on this side is going to have kind of like a mirror on this side with just the th on the end. So after the hundreds place on this side is our thousands place. So similarly, on the opposite side, the mirror side, is our thousandths, right? And it increases. So it's going to be the same on both sides. It's just that on the right side of the decimal point, you add on the th at the end, right? So tens, tenths, hundreds, hundredths, and so on. So there is no oneths place, okay? There's a ones, and there's a decimal point, and everything revolves around that. Okay. So let's go through a couple of examples. You can test your knowledge, test your understanding. Okay, so we're going to find the place value of the underlying number. So the first one here, so this one should be simple. This is the first one I went over in the previous slide. So the place value of the underlying number right here, so it's to the left of the decimal point, so this is the ones place. Okay, now here, this one's to the right of the decimal, and remember starting from the right is your tenths place. So this one here is after that, which is your hundredths place. Okay, so similarly this one's on the right side of the decimal point. So tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths, 100,000ths. Okay, got the th on the end, got the lisp. Okay, now this one here. So in the whole number, like this, the decimal is always at the end. You don't have to put the decimal after it. It's understood to be there. So that means this right here, this 1 is our ones place. Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s place. Okay, no lisp, just a regular 100,000. Okay, and our last one here, so it's to the right of the decimal, so that's going to be our th again. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000s, 100,000s, millionths. So this is the millionths place. Alright? So if you got all of those, good job. Okay, so that's pretty much it for that. So, place values are important. Don't take them lightly because they can change the meaning of your numbers if you say them incorrectly. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. I got another one coming out pretty soon, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you next time.